The Dimos Triade bending and folding machine and cutting goes up to 2 meters. Clamp it, set the guide, rolling guillotine comes with it. Nice and simple. It's just copper I'm working with, but I think it will do mild steel probably up to about 1 millimetre or so. You can cut it, flip it out of the way, line it up with whatever position you need to bend it anywhere up to about 140 degrees or so. Nice and easy, nice straight lines. If you need to bring it all the way to 180 degrees, put it back in. Pretty much brings it all up to 180 degrees. Nice and simple. Handle at each end. It'll do up to 2 metre lengths, and it's for sale. It could be yours. I'll show you what you can do with it. I've just done all the metal work on this that you can see, apart from the very top edge, which I had to get someone else to make. So this has all been done with that machine, a pair of snips and a small hand folding tool. So if you want to build something like this, the machine will be perfect for you. So you can do everything up to 2 meters. There are a couple of things to point out. This has been welded in the past. It's quite accurate, even though it looks a bit maybe a little crude on this video, but it is accurate and it's been welded properly. There's not a new bush in it, but I do have in my hand some spare bushes if you want to replace them. They don't need replaced at the moment. There's a new bushing down here, and I have a spare one for the other side which I've not fitted. It's about approximately maybe 8 years old. I bought it from the guy who first had it. He used it professionally for a while. He's moved on to bigger things, but it works fine, certainly for if you've got a small job. I've just done 500 kilos of copper with it, so if your job's anything like that, I'm sure you'll manage it fine with this machine. The machine actually finishes here. This is a big lump of wood that comes with it that bolts on. It's all held together with a couple of big wing nuts, so it transports the legs, the main bit, which is really quite heavy, the piece of wood separate. The bit at the back you'll have to make up yourself. That's my workbench. I think that's pretty much explains it. Good bit of kit. Oh, one final thing. This little gas bit here, or oil damper, doesn't really need replaced, but it's not working properly, so it doesn't have its damping effect. So when you slacken this off, it should really rise up to about there, but it doesn't do that anymore. But it's not been an issue. It's been like that while I've had it. Make a bid.